like fish on a pizza?
No.
Okay. What's your favorite place in Hanoi?
My favorite place in town is Holcomb Lake.
Okay. Why?
Because I see everything, even the lake.
Okay, good.
I like it.
Good. Who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is One Direction.
One Direction. And what's your favorite free time activity?
In my free time activity, I play badminton.
Okay, so let's look at some school clubs. Now, what school club is this, do you think?
I think it's chess club.
Okay, when can we go to chess club?
We can go on Monday about 3 p.m. and to 4 p.m.
3 to 4 p.m., good. When is the football club?
It's on Wednesday. It's about 10 a.m. to 12 a.m.
Good. p.m. Alright, and Tuesdays? What is on Tuesdays?
It's technology.
Good. What time is that on, huh?
It's about 9 o'clock until 10:50.
Good.
Thursday.
That's good. Alright, so let's talk about events. What was your weekend like?
He's very happy.
Really? What happened?
I go to
You went?
I went to the pet shop and I bought a puppy.
You bought a puppy?
Yes.
Wow. What did you name the puppy?
It is Moon.
Moon? The name of your dog is Moon?
Yes.
Is it a big dog or a small dog?
Small.
What color is it?
It's white.
A nice small white puppy. Good. Alright, can you tell me what was your maths lesson like? Your last maths lesson?
It's not very interesting.
Why?
My lesson is half to 10.
Oh, really? And what are you doing in math? Are you doing geometry or trigonometry or multiplication, division?
I don't know.
You don't know, good. Okay, TV programs and films. So what's your favorite type of film?
My favorite type of film is cartoon.
Cartoon films?
Yes.
For example,
Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry. Is that a film?
Yes.
It is, yeah, a long film, good. And how long do you watch TV every day?
About 2 hours.
2 hours of TV every day? Wow. And do you watch TV in the morning, the evening, or the evening?
I want TV in the evening.
In the evening, good. Alright, so let's look at some irregular verbs. Can you see this one here? Say. What's the past form for say?
Use said.
Said. Good. Can you give me a sentence using said, please?
Yesterday I said to my brother that I want a puppy.
Good. What about ring?
Rang.
Rang. Can you give me a sentence?
My phone rang yesterday.
Okay, and last one, see.
So
Okay, give me a sentence. I saw.
I saw a football player 1 year ago.
Good. Okay, so let's talk about daily routines. What time did you eat breakfast today?
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
Good. And what time did you eat lunch?
I eat lunch.
I ate.
I ate lunch at 11 a.m.
Good. Okay, your last trip, where did you go on holiday?
On my last holiday, I went to Hawaii.
Okay, was it nice?
No,
No? You did not enjoy it?
yes.
Why?
Because it's very boring. I
Sorry.
can swim from. It's just in.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's talk about some past actions. Let's look at the first picture with London. Okay, so can you give me the past form sentence?
I saw Big Ben on London.
In London. Good. Amsterdam?